Data Science course in Chennai. Aimore Technologies, Chennai. A complete detail on pursuing a data science course in Chennai. Introduction to Chennai's data science landscape. Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu, stands out as a premier hub for data science education. Data scientists will find Chennai a great place to study and work, with a thriving IT industry, a variety of job prospects, and a reasonable cost of living. Choosing the right course. Data science courses should be chosen based on the content, instructor experience, length, certification, placement support, and alumni feedback. Thorough evaluation ensures a well-rounded and impactful learning experience. Noteworthy institutions. ISI and Anna University. Chennai boasts reputable institutions like the Indian Statistical Institute, ISI, and Anna University, both offering distinguished data science programs. Anna University's master's program focuses on data science and big data analytics, while ISI stands out for its statistical rigor and research-oriented approach. Keys to success in data science education. Dedication, frequent practice, building relationships with peers, instructors, and industry professionals, and staying current with emerging technologies are essential for a successful data science education. Choosing the right course sets the foundation for a rewarding journey in this fast-paced field. Leveraging Chennai's dynamic academic and technology scene. Chennai's dynamic academic and technology scene provides an excellent backdrop for embarking on a data science adventure. The right course selection, dedication, and continuous skill development can help individuals succeed in the field of data science, which is ever evolving.